So this question looks at an equilateral triangle and a regular pentagon. The word equilateral means the three sides are the same. So if one side is 10, then each side will be 10. And a regular pentagon, if one side is D, then all the sides are D. So the triangle has 3 times 10 centimeters, so the perimeter of the triangle, that's the distance around the outside, is 30 centimeters. We know the pentagon from the question is 4 centimeters more. So the pentagon's perimeter will be 30 plus 4. Now there are 5 sides to a regular pentagon and they're all the same. So if one side is D, then the 5 sides will be 5 times D, or 5D, and we know that that equals 34 centimeters. Like all algebra, to get to D, we have to divide both sides by 5. So 34 over 5 will be 6.8 centimeters.